हरे कृष्णा। चैतन्य चरितामृत मध्य लीला चैप्टर 7 द लॉर्ड विंग्स हिज टूर ऑफ साउथ इंडिया। ओम अज्ञानतिमिरान्धस्य ज्ञानाञ्जनशलाकया चक्षुरुन्मीलितेन तस्मै श्रीगुरुवे नमः। नमः आचार्यपादाय नित्याय कृपाप्रदायिने गौरकथादामदाय नगरग्रामतारिणे। नमः ॐ विष्णुपादाय कृष्णप्रेष्ठाय भूतले श्रीमते भक्तिवेदान्त स्वामिन् इति नामिने। नारायणं नमस्कृत्य नरं चैव नरोत्तमं देवीं सरस्वतीं व्यास ततो जयमुदीरये। नष्टप्राये सुभद्रेश नित्यं भागवत सेवया भगवती उत्तमश्लोके भक्तिर्भवती नैष्ठुकी। जय श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभो नित्यानंदा श्री अद्वैता गदाधर शिवसदि गौर भक्तवृंदा। हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे राम 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 हरे हरे। हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम राम हरे हरे। कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम राम हरे हरे। सभी सुनने वाले भाई बहनों को, वैष्णवियों को, गोपा गोपियों को और सभी भक्तवृंद प्रेमी भक्तों को सर्ववंद्या देवी दासी माता जी का दंडवत प्रणाम स्वीकार करें। ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय। ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय। ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय। वासुदेवा परा वेदा वासुदेवा परा मखा वासुदेवा परा योगा वासुदेवा परा के वासुदेवा परम ज्ञान वासुदेवा परा तपा वासुदेवा परो धर्मो वासुदेवा परागति वसुदेवं सुतं देवं कंसचाणूरमर्दनं देवकी परमानंदं कृष्णं वंदे जगद्गुरु। हे कृष्ण करुणा सिंधु दीनबंधु जगतपते गोपेश गोपिका कांता राधा कांता नमोस्तुते। तप्त कांचन गौरंगी राधे वृंदावनेश्वरी वृषभानुसुते देवी प्रणमामि हरिप्रिये। कृष्णे सुधामोपगति धर्मज्ञानादिवीसा कलो नष्टो दृशामीश पुराणार्को दिनोदिता। जय श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर शिवसदि गौर भक्त वृंदा। हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। वांछा कल्पतरुभ्यश्च कृपा सिन्धुभ्यः च पतितानां पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो नमो नमः। जय जय श्री चैतन्य जय नित्यानंद जय अद्वैता चंद्र जय गौरा भक्त वृंद। जय जय श्री चैतन्य जय नित्यानंदा जय अद्वैता चंद्र जय गौरा भक्त वृंद। जय जय श्री चैतन्य जय नित्यानंद जय अद्वैता चंद्र जय गौरा भक्त वृंद। जय जय श्री चैतन्य जय नित्यानंद जय अद्वैता चंद्र जय गौरा भक्त वृंद। जय जय श्री चैतन्य जय नित्यानंद जय अद्वैत चंद्र जय गौरा भक्त वृंद। हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे राम 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 हरे हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे राम 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 हरे हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे राम 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 हरे। वृंदावन में श्री कृष्णा पूरी जगन्नाथ मायापुर में गौरानिता बोलो रे सवार। वृंदावन में श्री कृष्णा पूरी जगन्नाथ मायापुर में गौरानिता बोलो रे सवार। वृंदावन में श्री कृष्णा पूरी जगन्नाथ मायापुर में गौरानिता बोलो रे सवार। जय जगन्नाथ जय जगन्नाथ जय बलदेव जय सुभद्रा। जय जगन्नाथ जय जगन्नाथ जय बलदेव जय सुभद्रा। कृष्ण बलराम कृष्ण बलराम कृष्ण बलराम भज गौरा निताय। जय जगन्नाथ जय जगन्नाथ जय बलदेव जय सुभद्रा। कृष्ण बलराम कृष्ण बलराम कृष्ण बलराम भज गौरा निताय। हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे। स्वागतम चैतन्य महाप्रभु जी स्वागतम मधुर स्वागतम चैतन्य महाप्रभु जी का मधुर स्वागतम। मथुरा धाम में स्वागतम चैतन्य महाप्रभु जी का स्वागतम। मधुर मधुर स्वागतम चैतन्य महाप्रभु जी का मथुरा धाम में मधुर मधुर स्वागतम। हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे राम 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 हरे हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे राम 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 हरे हरे। हरे कृष्ण। Text 1. Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu being very compassionate toward a Brahmana named Vasudeva cured him of leprosy. He transformed him into a beautiful man satisfied with devotional service. I offer my respectful obeisances unto the glorious Lord Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. All glories to Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, all glories to Lord Nityananda Prabhu. All glory to Advaita Acharya and all glory to all the devotees of Lord Chaitanya. After delivering Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya, the Lord desired to go to South India to preach. Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu accepted the renounced order during the waxing fortnight of the month of Magha. During the following month, Phalguna, he went to Jagannath Puri and resided there. At the end of the month of Phalguna, he witnessed the Dola Yatra ceremony, and in his usual ecstatic love of God, he chanted and danced in various ways on the occasion. During the month of Chaitra, while living at Jagannath Puri, the Lord delivered Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya, and at the beginning of the next month, Vaisakha, he decided to go to South India. Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu called all his devotees together and holding them by the hand, humbly informed them, "You are all more dear to me than my life. I can give up my life, but to give you up is difficult for me. You are all my friends, and you have properly executed the duties of friends by bringing me here to Jagannath Puri and giving me the chance to see Lord Jagannatha in the temple. I now beg all of you for one big of charity. Please give me permission to leave for a tour of South India. I shall go to search out Vishwarupa. Please forgive me, but I want to go alone. I do not wish to take anyone with me. Until I return from Setubandha, all of you, dear friends, should remain at Jagannath Puri." Knowing everything, Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu was aware that Vishwarupa had already passed away. A pretense of ignorance was necessary, however, so that he could go to South India and liberate the people there. Upon hearing this message from Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, all the devotees became very unhappy and remained silent with sullen face. Nityananda Prabhu then said, "How is it possible for you to go alone? Who can tolerate this? Let one or two of us go with you. Otherwise, you may fall into the clutches of thieves and rogues along the way. They may be whomever you like, but 2 persons should go with you. Indeed, I know all the paths to the different places of pilgrimage in South India. Just order me, and I shall go with you. The Lord replied, I am simply a dancer, and you are the wire puller. However you pull the wires to make me dance, I shall dance in that way. After accepting the sannyasa order, I decided to go to Vrindavan, but you took me instead to the house of Advaita Prabhu. While on the way to Jagannatha Puri, you broke my sannyasa staff. I know that all of you have great affection for me, but such things disturb my activities. Jagannatha wants me to enjoy bodily sense gratification, and out of fear I do whatever he tells me. If I sometimes do something against his desire out of anger, he will not take to me for 3 days.
Talk to me.
Being a sannyasi, I have a duty to lie down on the ground and to take a bath 3 times a day, even during the winter. But Mukunda become very unhappy when he sees my severe austerities. Of course, Mukunda does not say anything, but I know that he is very unhappy within, and upon seeing him unhappy, I became twice as unhappy. Although I am in the renounced order of life, and Damodara is a brahmachari, he still keeps a stick in his hand just to indicate me. According to Damodara, I am still a neophyte as far as social etiquette is concerned. Therefore, he does not like my independent nature.
Neophyte कहते हैं ना?
Neophyte. Damodara, Pandita and others are more advanced and receiving the mercy of Lord Krishna. Therefore, they are independent of public opinion as such. They want me to enjoy sense gratification, even though it be unethical, but unethical. Though it be unethical, but since I am a poor sannyasi, I cannot abandon the duty of the renounced order, and therefore I follow them strictly. You should all therefore remain here in Nilanchala for some days while I tour the sacred places of pilgrimage alone. Actually, the Lord was controlled by the good qualities of all his devotees on the pretense of attributing faults. He tested all these qualities. No one can properly describe Lord Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's affection for his devotees. He always tolerated all kinds of personal happiness resulting from his acceptance of the renounced order of life. The regulative principle observed by Chaitanya Mahaprabhu were sometimes intolerant, and all the devotees became greatly affected by them, although strictly observing the regulative principles. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu could not tolerate the unhappiness felt by his devotees. Therefore, to prevent them from accompanying him and becoming unhappy, Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu declared their good qualities to be false. For devotee then humbly insisted that they go to with the Lord, but Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, being the independent Supreme Personality of Godhead, did not accept their request. Thereupon Lord Nityananda said, "Whatever you order is my duty, regardless of whether it results in happiness or unhappiness. Yet I still submit one petition to you. Please consider it, and if you think it proper, please accept it." It must take with you a loin cloth, external clothes, and a water pot. You should take nothing more than this. Since your two hands will always be engaged in chanting and counting the holy names, how will you be able to carry the water pot and external garments? When along with the way you fall unconscious in ecstasy love of Godhead, who will protect your belonging, the water pot, garments, and so forth? When along the way you feel unconsciousness in ecstatic love of Godhead, who will protect your belongings, the water pot, garments, and so forth. Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu continued, here is a simple Brahmana named Krishna Dasa. Please accept him and take him with you. That is my request. He is carry your water pot and garments. You may do whatever you like. He will not say a word. Accepting the request of Lord Nityananda Prabhu, Lord Chaitanya took all his devotees and went to the house of Sri Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya. As soon as they entered his house, Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya offered the Lord obeisances and a place to sit. After seeing all the other, the Bhattacharya took his seat. After they had discussed various topics about Lord Krishna, Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu informed Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya, I have come to your place just to receive your order. My elder brother Vishwarupa has taken sannyasa and gone to South India. Now I must go search him. Please permit me to go for a must to South India with your permission. I shall soon return very happily. Upon hearing this, Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya became very much agitated. Catching hold of the lotus feet of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he gave this sorrowful reply. After many births due to some pious activity, I got your association. Now Providence is breaking this invaluable association. If a thunderbolt falls on my head, or if my son die, I can tolerate it, but I cannot endure the unhappiness of separation from you. My dear Lord, you are the independent Supreme Personality of Godhead. Certainly you will depart. I know that. Still I ask you to stay here a few days more so that I can see you lotus feet. Upon hearing Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya request Chaitanya Mahaprabhu relented, he stayed a few days longer and did not depart. Hare Krishna, किसी के साथ Hare Krishna, I will talk with this mind. I will stop my talk with this.